Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to this tutorial. Today we're going to go over how to make a dry rub. There really is no rules. Think about the flavors of the protein. Think about what flavors go together. And that's really all you need to know about making a dry rub. Now what we're going to do is you can actually take a dry rub and turn it into a wet rub just by adding oil. So those are the two kinds of rubs that you use for your meat. So we are going to make a pork rub today. So I like kosher salt, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and we're going to add a little bit of smoked paprika. Now, when you make this, you want to keep in mind to add little increments of each at a time and taste it as you go through. So take the back of a spoon, get it wet, touch it, taste it, and make sure it's the way you want it. So we'll start off by adding a tablespoon of kosher salt. Now you could eyeball this if you wanted to, but you won't know how to remake it or continue using it. So we'll use a tablespoon of garlic powder. We'll do a tablespoon of onion powder. We're going to do half a tablespoon of black pepper because we don't want it to be overpowering. I'm a huge garlic fan and onion fan, so I want those flavors to stand out. That's something else you want to keep in mind while you're doing this. And then we're going to do a half a tablespoon of smoked paprika. And then I just use my tablespoon, mix it all up. Alright, and then we'll take our spoon, get it wet, and just touch the back of it so it sticks to it, and then you taste it. Got some dynamite flavors there. I think what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to, because it's pork, I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar to it. Again, another real good way to balance the flavors out. A lot of seasonings will add brown sugar. That actually works amazing. I happen to be out of brown sugar at this moment in time. But like a St. Louis style rub, you're going to add a little cayenne to it. You know, Memphis has their own styles of rub, Kentucky, so you get a lot of different kind of barbecue rubs to go on there, but you can make your own at home. It's not a problem. You do an Italian rub, add some basil and oregano in there. Yeah, that balances it out. Now remember, it's going to be strong because you're just tasting seasonings and spices, herbs or whatever you've got mixed together that you've ground up. You got to think abstract and go, okay, what is this going to taste like on the protein once we sear it and get it cooking? So this is going to go on pork, so this is going to be absolutely delicious. It's got a little bit of a smoky flavor to it. It's got the garlic flavor to it, and I think it's going to be a big hit. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe.